Storytime at Home. Presented by Public Library of Cincinnati and Hamilton County.
Hi friends, my name is Miss Stefani and I'm the Children's Librarian at the Forest Park Branch Library. Are you ready for story time? Yeah? Can we wave hello to start? Ready? We wave and say hello, we wave and say hello. We are ready for story time, we wave and say hello. Excellent waving, my friends. So a quick note to our grown-ups. We want to remember that words are everywhere. We all think about books, which are wonderful, but also think about words on containers in your refrigerator or pantry, on street signs, or even on board games or video game boxes. Even when there are pictures to help us figure out what may be inside, point out the words to your children too. That way they can know that the words and the letters, they match what's inside. Are we ready? So let's do our book where the words in the illustrations help to tell our story. We are going to read The Mixed Up Truck. And this is written by Stephen Savage. He wrote the words and drew the pictures. Super excited. You ready? The Mixed Up Truck. It was Cement Mixer's first day on the job. All the other trucks were hard at work. Let's see what trucks we can find. The crane was lifting. The dump truck was dumping. And the digger was digging. How can I help? Asked the cement mixer. Mix up some powdery white cement, said the trucks. The cement mixer mixed up the white powder, added a little water, and presto. Now, my friends, let's look at the picture. Let's see. What building did he go to? That says flour. Is that cement? So let's see what he made. And presto. A cake. He made a cake. Silly cement truck. You got mixed up, said the trucks. Go mix up some powdery white cement. The cement mixer mixed up the white powder, added a little water, and presto. My friends, let's look on this building. What does this say? Sugar. Let's see what he made. And presto, frosting. Now, friends, that looks super yummy. But that's not cement. Let's try again. You got mixed up again, said the trucks. Go mix up some powdery white cement. You can see a truck zooming away. The cement mixer mixed up the white powder, added a little water, and presto. Oh, let's check the building this time. What does that say? C-E-M-E-N-T, cement. Oh, let's see what he made. And presto, a building. He made his building. Excellent. Now, the trucks were dusty and tired, but the cement mixer needed to get one more load of white powder. Let's see. The cement mixer mixed up the white powder, added a little water, and presto. Oh, let's see what's on this building. Ready? Oh, what does that say? S-O-A-P spells soap. He made a bubble bath. Yeah, look at that bubble bath. Oh, that looks like fun. Oh, good night, trucks. Good night, trucks. Oh, excellent work, my friends. Thank you so much for joining us for story time. Are we ready to wave goodbye? Yes. Ready? We wave and say goodbye. We wave and say goodbye. We have fun in story time. We wave and say goodbye. Thank you, friends. I hope to see you again soon.
Get free books in the mail. Sign up today. Go to Ohio Imagination Library.org to find out more.